Welcome to Unit 7.4. It is about single price monopoly and competition compared. Comparing price and output. Figure on this slide compares the price and quantity in perfect competition and monopoly. The market demand curve D in perfect competition is the demand curve that the firm in monopoly faces. The market supply curve in perfect competition is the horizontal sum of the individual firms' marginal cost curves, S equal MC. This curve is the monopoly's marginal cost curve. Perfect competition. Equilibrium occurs when the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied at quantity QC and price PC. Monopoly. Equilibrium output QM occurs when marginal revenue equals marginal cost, MR equal MC. Equilibrium price PM occurs on the demand curve at the profit maximizing quantity. Compared to perfect competition, monopoly produces a smaller output and charges a higher price. Efficiency comparison. Figure on this slide shows the efficiency of perfect competition. The market demand curve is the marginal social benefit curve, MSB. The market supply curve is the marginal social cost curve, MSC. So, competitive equilibrium is efficient, MSB equal MSC. Total surplus, the sum of consumer surplus and producer surplus, is maximized. The quantity produced in perfect competition is efficient. Figure on this slide shows the efficiency of monopoly. Because price exceeds marginal social cost, marginal social benefit exceeds marginal social cost, and a deadweight loss arises. Redistribution of surpluses. Some of the lost consumer surplus goes to the monopoly as producer surplus. Rent seeking. Any surplus, consumer surplus, producer surplus, or economic profit is called economic rent. Rent seeking is the pursuit of wealth by capturing economic rent. Rent seekers pursue their goals in two main ways. First, buy a monopoly. Transfer rent to create a monopoly. Second, create a monopoly. Uses resources in political activity. Rent-seeking equilibrium. The blue area shows the potential producer surplus with no rent seeking. The resources used in rent seeking can wipe out the monopoly's producer surplus. Rent seeking cost shifts the ATC curve upward. Producer surplus disappears. The deadweight loss increases to the larger grey area. That's all for Unit 7.4. Thank you.